When we find the courage to use our voice, it has the power to positively inspire and change the lives of others. It's part of the special gift you have to offer the world and is something to be cherished and championed, never hidden. Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Aayan Lakhwani and I study at Karachi Grammar School. I believe that everyone has a voice to use and has the power to use that voice. When I was 6, I watched a movie called Ocean, and now I realized how it changed my life. I started to do a lot of research on the internet, and now I realize the harm we're causing to the environment, and I just had to do something. I knew that our oceans will cease to exist, and without our oceans, we will cease to exist. I want my fellow peers to learn that it doesn't need to be a huge project to make a difference, and it can be as small as talking to your friends to make a difference. The best part of making a difference is that you know that you have changed the life of someone and you have impacted the life of someone with your voice. In grade 3, I started a club called Save the Ocean. We started with a neighborhood sale. Each year we started raising more and more funds. Last year, I managed to gather children from all around Pakistan and we formed a community called Ocean Conservancy, a community of 142 children from all around Pakistan taking a stand against malpractices that threaten ocean life. Last year, I got a leadership award by Sitare Pakistan. It was just amazing. You may think that you'd fail at getting your message out there. These are real feelings, but if they stop us in our paths before we even start speaking, how are we gonna get our voice heard? What you just need to do is take that leap of faith and speak to make a change. Inspire people with your voice, from your adult to your sibling, to your significant other, to your community, to this world, and to this room. Speak at a level so high, so big, so massive that people feel like they have to change their lives because they crossed your path. You have to be willing to use every experience that ever happened in your life, not as a fortress holding you from using your voice, but as the fuel on why you will use your voice. You got to be willing to not stand in your story, but to stand on your story. Incredible people throughout history have used their voices to create change. Maya Angelou was a poet and an activist who used her voice to create change in civil rights movement. Jazz Jennings is a teenager who got her claim to fame by becoming an American YouTube personality. So why not you? Why can you not make a change? You don't need to have 100 million followers on Instagram to make a change, or you don't need to be famous to empower someone or make a difference in their life. You can use your voice for the betterment of communities throughout the globe. Despite how young or old you may be, personal success is incredibly important. But even more important than personal success is having made a difference in someone's life. It's knowing that you haven't walked the planet in vain, and it's knowing that because you've been here, you've made a change and you've blessed lives and you've made the world a better place through your voice. Everything that you gain in life will rot and fall apart, and all that will remain of you is what was in your heart and how you use your voice to express. It takes a collection of single individuals just like yourself to stand up and speak. Just remember that even the biggest wave starts as a small ripple. Dream big. Start small. You may become a Socrates, a Obama, a Mahatma Gandhi, or a Mother Teresa. But to make it happen, we must speak one child at a time to make a good little difference in this beautiful world. The difference which only we can make. Thank you.